Hey, it's Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to block friends on Snapchat. So first, what you want to do is open up your Snapchat app, and from there you want to go to your chats or your friends. And let's say I want to block this person. I would click on it, click on the top, so click on their profile, click on the top three dots, click on manage friendship, and from here you can block, remove them, or even change their name. So if you want to block them, click on block, and then you will click on block again, and now that person is blocked and they won't be able to message you, send you stories, and etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.